Hi everyone, this is Kai from Tizaw. Today I will show you how to create a list in Google Keep in iPhone. Let's get started. Open your Google Keep app. Then tap plus icon. Here you can give your desired title. Here I am giving desired title cricket team name. Then press plus icon. Then press tick box. Here I am giving first list name India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Canada. Look, here is ready for our new list here. That's it. Thanks for watching. For more tips, check out tizaw.com and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a question? Drop them in the comment section. See you next time.